In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this camera rotation abstract art. This is how the scene looks like. By default, the rotated view angle will continue to exist even after getting out of the render view like this. I think this could be a bug. Anyway, just set the view to any orthographic ones, and the issue will be resolved. I'll show you how to create the ground plane. In edit mode, right-click and type S to subdivide the plane multiple times. Shift D to duplicate, and let's add a wireframe modifier. I'm using only one material for all the meshes in the scene. It's the usual random color node. If the assigned color is not the one you like, select the mesh and press Shift D to duplicate to get a new random color. The idea is to subdivide and shade smooth a sphere, duplicate it, and scatter them around the ground plane. I have changed the camera's focal length value before rotating it like this. This is how we rotate the camera. Ctrl, Alt, and numpad 0 to go into the render view, and Shift, _ to navigate inside the view by using the WASD keys. Duplicating a selected mesh with Shift D will generate a new random material for the duplicated mesh. We need to get the best looking angle for the meshes, and use the sky texture as the environment light. Here are my composite settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.